Hello everybody, I'm Avery with Online Income. Today I'm going to be showing off a website I came across earlier today. It's called Tracklib. It's interesting for music producers because as you can see on the homepage, it says the record store for sampling. Tracklib is a music service where every song can be licensed for release in minutes, sample clearance for everyone. And it's also free for you to sign up. Every single song is $2. You can download them, go ahead and mix them up how you want to. And then when you come back up here to go ahead and license the songs out, they'll license it for you and you can go ahead and start making money off them. I thought it was pretty amazing until I found out that it's only in the songs in their catalog. If you have other songs that you need your samples cleared, then this ain't the place to go. You still gonna have to find a sample clearing company. So that was a bit of a setback, or that was a bit of a blow to me as far as how great it was. But the upside is still that if you're looking for new samples, then this is a place to go to. Now you can see that I'm on the whole page. If I went to scroll down, you can see that they have the rhythm roulette up here, and then they have some other stuff. Go down, you can see that it says popular tracks to sample and then newly added tracks to sample. They supposedly add new tracks every week up here. Let's go back up. Right now we're gonna go ahead and go to tracks. As you can see, when I highlight on one of these, only the first 30 seconds of each track is highlighted. That's because I'm not signed in. So in order to listen to the whole thing, I'm gonna have to sign in right now. You can see it says sign up for free. Sign up for free. You can sign in with Facebook, sign up with Facebook, or you can put in your email username. So it's very simple to have an account. Log in, same thing, just log in with Facebook or your email and password. I've logged in with Facebook, so now I'm logged in now, and you can see mine's online income. I can go ahead, go down, look at the profile, my settings, referrals, order history, and that's it. Over here I can go to my songs, any songs that I've registered, which I haven't done any yet, but we're not gonna worry about that. Let's go ahead and go to tracks and try to find something. You can search for something up here, or you can go by the genre, you can go by region, song keys, track types, BPM, years, license categories. I would like to go in a different region than here. So let's go with, I don't know, let's say Eastern Africa. Not only that, let's try to squeeze the years in. So some 63 to 99. Let's see what we find out here. This dude still popped up, so let's see what he got. The whole thing. There's something to it. Might be able to use it. Let me see somebody using that. Why not? Okay, yeah, and you can see somebody using this. So we'll go ahead and stop that there. But yeah, once again, you could go, like I said, you can go by blues, you can go by plenty of other different genres, see what comes up. They don't have any blues for for Eastern Africa, which I'm not surprised by. So yeah, well, let's go ahead and go to how it works. How it works, sample licensing. Tracklib is the world's first record store with songs for sampling. Watch the video for a short explanation of all the steps and read below, or continue to our support section for full details. Let's just scroll down because I don't want to put another video up here. You can find songs to sample up here, like I already said, and then you license them to release. If you want to release your new song, you must get the sample license. We have 3 licenses. We have 3 price categories, and you know what the advance fee will be even before you buy the audio track. The category is listed below each track when you dig, no surprises. More than 99% of our tracks are in category C, the most affordable category. Category C, $50 per license. Category B, $500. Category A, $2,500. Depending on how much of the original song you sample, you share a different percentage of your total revenue. It doesn't matter how long you sample your new song. You can loop 5 seconds for 10 minutes and it's still only 5 seconds of the sample time. The total sample length is also cumulative. I can't even say it. It doesn't have to be in a continuous piece. Category C, up to 2 seconds is 2%. Up to 15 seconds is 10%, and then up to a minute is 20%. So if you took 2 samples from the same song, then both of those put together were 15 seconds, then you're paying 10%. Just that simple. Quick question you might have is, if you have 2 samples from 2 different songs, you put them in one production that you make. Do you only pay one, or you pay for both? The answer is you'll need 2 separate licenses for those. So you'll need $50. I'm gonna just say $50. So you need $50 for one, $50 for the other. Now it says, don't forget to register. When you release your new music to make money, it's super important that you register your new work with recording societies such as Songtrust, BMI, and the other ones, so that both you and the original publishers and songwriters get their proper share. It's all detailed and explained in the sample license. You'll find hands-on advice in the help center. So let's go to the help center for a second. Let's go down to promoted articles. And let's just pick one. Let's pick a good one though. Let's go with that one. When or why do I need a sample license? If you only want to play around with tracks at home or in your private studio, you don't need a sample license. But when you want to produce and release a new song that contains a sample from Tracklib, you need to get a sample license. Getting a sample license and properly following the instructions to make sure that all original labels, publishers, producers, artists, and musicians get paid. So it's a pretty big and positive deal. There you go. Now let's look at this other one. How do I invite a friend to get free track credit? This could have used a little more proofreading. How do I invite a friend to get a free track credit? If you invite a friend to Tracklib that's not already a user at Tracklib, the person invited gets a specific free track. Once they're signed up, you get 1 free credit, which you can use to purchase any track for free, and you can invite as many friends as you like. Each of the signups will earn you 1 track credit. So what do you think of Tracklib? I personally think that it has a very good concept. I also like how the music in here just ain't in the US. It's all over the world. And you could come back up here and get the sample cleared for $50. But let me know what you think of Tracklib. Do you like the concept? Do you hate it? Leave a comment down below. Are you going to actually use Tracklib at all? Will you ever come up here? If you do, make sure you use the link below so you can at least get 1 free track. And I can go ahead and get a free track too, help each other out. So with all that being said, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share with a friend. Leave a comment. You got a request, leave that. You got a question, go ahead and leave it down as well. Thanks for watching.